marunong ka ba mag-origami?
Hindi yata origami ang ano nun, ang kategorya, yung paggawa ng bangka. Hindi yata iba. Kasi, yan ko pero yung complicated origami, hindi. Yung pagtupi-tupi po ng papel para makabuo ng complicated na mga figurines, di ba? Pero may kilala ako at eto na siya, Grace.
Yes,
Si Marty,
bata
10 years old lang. Ang galing ho mag-origami. Hendrix Martin, Almoite. Ayan. At nandito, full support ang kanyang mommy na si Peggy. Yan.
Today's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
So, 11 years old ka na ngayon.
11 ka na ba?
Oh, napaka-talented mo. 11 years old pala. O, ikaw naman, paano ka natutong gumawa ng mga ganito?
Yan. Like this
Paano
one.
ka natuto gumawa ng mga
Martin?
ganyan, mga
Sino
origami?
nagturo sa'yo?
In the internet and some books.
Internet.
Wow, ang galing mo naman. Kasi ako pag nagbabasa ako ng mga paper folding sa libro, hindi ko siya nasusundan ng maayos.
Diba? So sa libro lang pala at saka sa internet, ano yung unang-una mong natutunan na gawin?
You can have
Uy, thank you,
Thank you!
Martin.
Ano yung mga una mo natutunan? Yung mga boat?
Yun.
Or ano mga unang mga figurines na nagawa mo?
Oo. Which one do you like best?
Ito kasi yung mga pinaka-basic na ginagawa,
Basic pa pala
diba?
lagay niya, hirap yan ha. Pero bang magpaturo?
Because-
Can you teach us how to make this one?
Okay.
All the Grace knows how to make that. Can you
Si
teach
Mama
me how to
tuturuan
make this
natin.
one? Okay, let's go. How do we make it? What's the first step? Get paper, of course.
So lahat ito
Okay.
ginawa mo, ang galing naman.
first you take this part and then fold it here.
Hold it like
To
this.
form a triangle.
Marty's teaching us how to make a
Ano pa
bird.
yata ang mga damit? Ano
Okay.
to?
And then, yeah.
You squash,
Shape?
you fold
And then,
until you form like this. After
Wanna
that,
make one, Grace?
you turn it around
Turn it around.
and then you take this, fold
Yeah,
it
fold
till
it
it reaches
again.
to this
So you want to
line.
make a perfect
Doing it,
square.
There.
Okay.
After that, you press it really hard.
Okay. Ayan.
After
Perfect
that,
square.
unfold it,
Unfold.
and then you see this. You're
Yes.
going to it.
You what?
Okay, so cut it.
Ito na. Cut it. Okay.
But you can rip or cut.
Okay, rip.
Alright. O, so yung mga mommies dyan na nanonood sa atin, kasama yung mga anak ninyo,
Okay.
Now you
gawin nyo
Yeah.
to
when
with
you
us.
now the fold this down
Down.
and then take this and form it half.
Ah.
Okay.
O, smaller triangle naman tayo. Yes.
Then,
After that, you now take this and then squash fold.
one fold. Naku, ito problema. Matatandaan ko ba to step by step? Talagang practice makes perfect, di ba, Grace?
Yes.
Para ma-remember may mga folds.
Okay, so,
Aha.
fold.
Now you to form the other side.
Do it on the other side. Same thing.
Yes, but before that, you have to fold this so that way you
Lost
can.
na ako.
Ayan, para magiging
Lost na ako.
perfect na siya.
And then after that, you fold down and do the same thing to form.
Oh my
Squash
gosh, I'm
fold.
lost.
Dati kasi, nung nasa grade school pa ako, sinasabi nila, kung gumawa ka ng 100 na
lost.
ganito, at ibigay mo sa crush mo,
Oo.
magiging kayo na.
Oh, yung 100 paper.
Yes.
After that, now you have the
Okay,
base.
lost na ako. Next. Go na. Martin. Go.
Next, you fold this until it reaches here.
Okay.
Repeat on the other side.
Other side. And then,
Oh,
On the other side too.
okay.
and then,
After that, you fold this down. After that, you unfold this part. Next, bring this up.
Oh, di ba? It's quite complicated.
And then-
di ba?
pero ang galing.
Like that.
Yes.
Magagawa.
After that, repeat on the other side.
Malapit na to, malapit na to. Mga 2
Okay,
steps
bangka na
to.
lang ang gagawin ko. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, tapos,
After that, when you're done, you get like this.
Matutuwa na naman si Paolo nito.
ito mo, ginagawa niya yung bird. Ito kaya,
Now.
tinan mo, meron pang rabbit.
Ito nga, parang may sculpture na siya dito, mamutin
Now,
mo.
you
Yeah, paper
take this
sculptures.
and then reaches here.
Yes, of course. You fold it, so, both sides.
No, not, wait. You should see the other. Wait.
Wala tayong oras. Bilisan na natin.
Oo.
And then,
Happy birthday, Tara. Happy birthday! Ang daming
pagkain na vegetarian.
Now, look at this. Now you
very
take this and explode it to here.
Yes. O, di ba?
And, there it is.
Ay, may nilalaro sila doon. Mamutin.
Oo nga
Inuunahan na tayo.
There it is.
Yay!
Thank you,
Mama,
Martin.
ano nangyari? Alam mo, ikaw yung
Wala na,
nanalo.
na-lost na ako. Ganda, birthday mo, Martin. Happy birthday. This is my gift for you.
wow.
More origami for you.
Ayan.
Thank you, Martin.
Oh, ito naman para sa mga kids na full of energy.
Yay! Palakpakan natin si Martin. Martin, make more for me. Make another one for me like this, ha?
I'm buying the gift there.
You're going to what? Give it to Good Morning Club. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Martin. How thoughtful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very talented. Very thoughtful. Thank you, Martin. I'll leave it here first, okay? You know how to do this, Martin? You just watch from there.
Grabe,
Ayun na.
ang galing ng mga
Oh,
batang
here.
to. Ito po yung mga bagay na kanila itong speed stacking. Kasama natin ngayon si Russell Borrell.